Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna review, you ready? Ta-da! Face mask. Oh my god, this is so fancy, so luxury. Well, based on the website and the review I see. So I'm gonna unbox this and tell you everything about this, or what I like about this, or maybe what I don't like about this, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm so thankful that Airinum, they sent me this face mask to try and review, and of course that, opinion is always mine, and I won't tell you anything I don't think personally is good. So this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna unbox these two masks and show you how to set this up, the difference, and the price, pros and cons. And then what I'm going to do is when I go out, I'm going to wear the mask myself, but I will use my phone to film this the experience when I go out, see how this mask work on my skin, and do I like it, things like that. So, and then at the end, if you like what you see, I also have a discount code. You get to save 10% off. Why not, right? So let's dig in right now. The first one is the smaller one, is a light air mask. Okay, let me open this right now. This is a retail for $49. When you first look at the box, I gotta tell you this. It feels like I'm buying an Apple product. You know what I mean? Packaging is everything, right? The way the box feels, it feels so luxury. It gives you all the detailed description how the mask work. And let me see, hold on. They actually have 4 different colors right now and sizes. So when you open this, let's see what's this. This is my first time open this. It has their little message right here, message card. Very cute. Okay, so I swear this feels like an Apple item. So let me open this up. Okay, so I think this may be the mask. Oh, this must be the refill filter. So it comes with 2 filters, and each filter up to 100-hour use. So you just remember that. And then this must be the mask. Let's open this now. You know, I appreciate the packaging, different layer, but I think they can get away without that many paper to pack this, honestly. I mean, that's how I see it. Okay, when you open this here right now, I think, the color I pick is the gray color. I think this is a very nice color, so it's a very lightweight. And then when you open this, there's a QR code you can scan, probably give you the website descriptions, and then this tells you how this mask is going to work. Detailed information, and also comes with, I don't know what is this. So what is this? Head clip, okay, to attach between ear loop for a tighter fit. Oh, so you put this, so give it a tighter fit. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let's open this one right now. So this is the smaller one. Oh, very smart. The packaging has an easy open slot right here. Just open it like that. Do you know how much I hate I bought something and it's so hard to open the packaging? It's so annoying. So this is the actual outside the mask, okay? And their mask has actually a 4, hold on, let me make sure I get this right. Has a certified filter technology, total 5 different layers. Outer layer to protect your face, and then there's a carbon layer to reduce gas and odor, and there's 2 electrode charge layer to reduce the pollution, pollen, allergen, and bacteria, and there's also inside layer for the smooth skin finish. Very nice. So I have to open this now for the insert. This is so fancy. Oh my gosh. And then the filter, actually watch this. It has a foam on here. So this way when you put on the skin, it can completely seal, doesn't have anything, no air comes out. Also doesn't, when you put those cheap masks on, you get a little line right here. So you don't want to do that. So apparently all I need to do, just insert the filter inside the mask. Okay, that's pretty easy. I mean, I don't really need instruction for that. But you never know, okay. The outside mask is a washable, so you don't need to replace that. You just need to replace the filter parts. Okay, so first thing first, I gotta tell you, I don't know if I got the size too small, but it's actually pretty tight around my ear. Wow, nothing comes out. It feels very comfortable on my nose area. Let me see myself. So I definitely need to go out to try this and let you guys know how I like it. They are also anti-fog, so when you wear the glasses, you don't get foggy glasses. So this is this one. This is the Urban Air Mask 2.0. This is the $75. Also comes with 2 filters. And it's definitely bigger. So let's see why is this much more money. You just push and slide open. How pretty is this? Let's see what it says right here. Welcome to the world's most advanced air mask. Wow, so fancy. It's a much more fancier box. You can see that everything is way bigger. So there's a lot of information right here. Our vision is the world where everyone can breathe clear air and live healthy lives. Oh, I love that. I love that. You know, I think we are, like people like me, we're very lucky living in Southern California. The air quality is very good, but I knew for a fact that a lot of different countries have a poor air quality. Even like Taiwan, people wear masks all the time, even before pandemic. It's because the poor air quality. So we should be appreciative, you know, where we live here. So, wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. And this is the mask skin. This is where the masks you can rewash them, so you can see it. The difference has a valve in here, so you can filter the air. That's what this is for. It's pretty nice. And then this one is a valve stopper. Okay, and then these are the filter. It's a much more bigger size. Oh, this also has travel pouch. Oh, I love this. The travel pouch feels really nice. It's stretch material. You guys know me. I love fancy stuff. So, okay. So now let's put this together. I mean, obviously we gotta do that. So let me open the filter first. Again, just like the light air filter mask, it's the same filter. Also the 5-layer. I mean, not 5. There's a filter in there, but this has a valve right here. And then let me see how to put this together. By the way to select your mask is by your weight, just so you know that. So they give you a guideline, depends the weight, what size of the mask that they recommended for you, just so you know. So I got the medium size, and I weigh 150 pounds right now, just so you guys know that. So what I need to do is, let me show you. So I need to put this in here first. Oh, this is much more nicer. So wait, let me check. Yeah. This is why you pay more money for the thing. So the light air mask, you put the filter insert, right? This one, so fancy, has a Velcro right here. You just put it right here and you just snap on. That already is much more easier for me to do. I like that. This has a 2 valve right here. I wasn't sure what's the difference. So different is if I'm correct, okay? If I'm not, please let me know. I'm learning this right now. This particular valve just basically it helps you breathe easy, reduce the moisture in the mask, and then the air can ventilate it to the side, not to the front, kind of like a surgical mask. This one is called exhaling valve stopper, and from what I understand is that you will be using this when you're in really bad pollution area, or you want to protect yourself a little bit better, so you'll be using this one. And if you look at the design, this one is the regular valve. There's nothing in here, right? But this one has more little stud right here, so it can block the air comes in and out. That's what it is. Okay, so I don't need to go that extreme right now. I'm gonna just do regularly. Also, while I was studying, I noticed I put the mask upside down. So let me do this one more time. Sorry, guys. Okay, so This is the mask skin. It's a washable, reusable. This is the filter. So you want to just put this right here, match the valve cord on the both side. It just snap on. I found that this is so much more easy to use. I honestly just, you know, the last thing I want to do is try to figure out how to squeeze the mask in there. It's just too much work. Okay, so you do that. And once you do this, you want to push the little green thing outside this area. So it comes out like that. You see the difference? So it's pushed out. This is not being pushed out, so you need to push this out. It's easy if I'm not talking, just do it. But if talking and doing it, it's a little bit hard. So we have this here now. Then we're gonna put the valve right here. Just snap this on. It's actually pretty easy. Snap on, that's it. And again, just like the other mask, it has the foam right here, so it's better for this, and also stop the fog onto your glasses. You know, if you wear, I wear reading glasses, but sometimes I have to wear the glasses outside wearing a mask. It's all foggy, I can't see anything. So I think this is really fantastic. This both are medium size, but I found this stretchable is a little bit tighter, but this is much more comfortable. And this also has adjustable stripe here on both sides. And then you can actually clip this on in the back so your mask won't fall off. It's actually pretty easy to breathe though. I barely feel the air coming out here though, so I don't know how this works. But so far it's pretty comfy. I think one time, you guys know when you wear the mask, you breathe like kind of like this. You bring in and out, right? And then it touches the skin really bad. And then you bought different insert to it. It's terrible. I think this is good. Alright, so I'm wearing the light air mask right now. It does feel a little bit tight on my face. I'm not sure it's because the size that I got. It's pretty tight back here. For breathing wise, I'm outdoors, so it feels okay. I'm trying a different mask now. It actually breathes easier. Very interesting. They both have a 5 filter systems, but I guess because the valve right here, so it breathes a little bit easier. But if you breathe really hard, watch. But I guess you don't breathe like that way, so anyway. Okay, we're back. So let's talk about which mask do I like the best. Honestly, they both are so different. I would say if I'm just in and out of the house walking the dog, you know, not to go to supermarket anywhere like that, I would just wear the light one, just so easy to use for a short time, because I do found this is a little bit too tight for my ear back here. This one, I like it because it's much more comfortable, and knowing that it has a function to protect your skin, protect you a little bit more. So this I will be like, for example, if I'm traveling on an airplane or going somewhere shopping all day, I would definitely do that. And for only, how much is more? Like $30 or more? Yeah, you get more. I think you get more for your buck. So anyway, there's discount code for you to save 10%. And if you do purchase this, I would love to hear your feedback. Let me know, do you feel the same way or not? But so far, I'm pretty happy. I do know Airinum, they do collaboration with a different company to create a special mask. They are really cute, so I'm definitely thinking about to invest or some of those things. Yeah, so again, so you know, thank you Airinum to send this to me. I really appreciate that, and I hope you guys also like today's video. And stay safe, protect yourself, okay? I love you all very much, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.